Have you ever checked the ingredients list on your favorite snack and seen palm oil? It's in about half of all packaged products we buy, from pizza and donuts to lipstick and soap. But have you ever wondered where it comes from and what its true cost is? The story behind this common ingredient is a lot more complex and, honestly, a lot more destructive than you might think. Today, we're diving deep into the palm oil crisis and how it's pushing our planet's ecosystems to the brink. So, how does a lush, vibrant rainforest turn into a palm oil plantation? The process is often brutal. To clear vast areas of land quickly and cheaply, a method called slash and burn is commonly used. This involves cutting down valuable timber and then setting the remaining forest on fire. These fires can burn for months, releasing massive plumes of smoke and carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing significantly to climate change. In other cases, heavy machinery like bulldozers moves in, systematically tearing down everything in their path. The complex, multi-layered forest ecosystem, which took centuries to develop, is wiped out in a matter of weeks. The once rich biodiversity is replaced by a single crop, the oil palm. This leads us to the next problem: monoculture farming. A natural rainforest has countless species of plants, all working together, enriching the soil and supporting a complex web of life. But a palm oil plantation is the exact opposite. It's just one type of plant, row after row, as far as the eye can see. This single crop system drains the soil of its specific nutrients, making it less fertile over time. To keep the palms producing, plantation owners become heavily reliant on chemical fertilizers to replenish what's been lost. And because a monoculture is more vulnerable to pests, huge amounts of pesticides are also sprayed. These chemicals don't just stay on the plants. They seep into the soil and run off into rivers and streams, poisoning aquatic life and contaminating water sources for local communities. The very foundation of the ecosystem, the soil itself, is degraded, turning a once fertile area into an ecological desert. Perhaps the most heartbreaking consequence of palm oil expansion is the direct impact on wildlife. Rainforests in places like Indonesia and Malaysia are some of the most biodiverse places on Earth. They are home to iconic and critically endangered species. When we clear these forests, we are destroying their homes. Orangutans, often seen as the face of this crisis, are particularly vulnerable. They spend most of their lives in trees, so when the forest disappears, they're left stranded, often starving or coming into conflict with humans. It's estimated that we lose thousands of orangutans every year due to deforestation. But it's not just them. Sumatran tigers, rhinos, and elephants are also being pushed closer to extinction as their habitats shrink. They are losing the space they need to roam, find food, and raise their young. The link is direct and undeniable. More palm oil plantations mean less forest. And less forest means fewer of these magnificent animals. So, what can we do? It feels like a massive problem, and it is. But consumer awareness is a powerful first step. Look for products that use sustainable palm oil, certified by organizations like the Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil, or RSPO. While not a perfect solution, it's a move towards better practices. Supporting companies that are committed to deforestation-free supply chains also makes a huge difference. By choosing wisely, we can send a message to the industry that we won't support the destruction of our planet's precious ecosystems for the sake of a cheap ingredient. The fate of the rainforests and the incredible creatures that call them home is, in many ways, in our hands. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content about our planet. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.